How to save a search on eBay. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we will be providing you with a step-by-step guide to do so you may follow these steps. So open up the eBay website for that and sign in into your account if you're not signed in. And you can type a search in the search bar. For example, I would like some speakers, so I'm just going to enter speaker. After that, we can find the specific result here. You can look out for the result directly here. Now here what we can do is we can basically look out for this option called save this search with the heart icon, this one right here. Once we find it out, we can heart this option, and that way will be that search will be saved and they will be sending you an email when there is something new. So you just need to follow the step and now the search will be saved very directly. And that's it. eBay can send us notifications or emails when new items match our search, and we can view save search in my eBay save searches. Got for my eBay here and find the option for save searches, and there we can view our save searches as well. And that's it. If we want to remove it, we can also remove it from the section right here, but usually this is how we should be able to find our save searches. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.